Hey there, welcome to Happy Eats. Well, I've been watching on the internet, and I've been watching all these guys making these, what they call drumstick lollipops, as you see here. Anyway, I'm just here to show you my way of doing it. What I like to do is get a sharp knife and ring around the leg, right around, alright, just like that. And then take your knife, take the sharp end of the knife, and just slide it up and start peeling it back. Easy, but there's also a little tiny bone right here. So what I like to do is, if you can see, hopefully you can see me, get my knife in there and just slide right up. Get your fingers in there. That's that little piece of bone right there. That's a pain in the ass. And then, now what you're going to do is go down the knife, go down the bone a little bit, just peel the rest of that meat off. And there it is. There's your, what they call your lollipop. Now, what I've been doing, as you can see here, is I take a piece of my homemade bacon. That right there is Lollipop Chicken. Now what I'm going to be doing is, I got my smoker here, I got my Pitbull smoker, and today I'm going to be using a fruit blend, the Applewood fruit blend. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my hopper, get this fired up, and then I'm going to show you what seasonings that we're putting on the chicken. On it, crazy cousins, it's just a homemade rub that I make. I have brown sugar, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. For chicken, I'm putting a little bit of rosemary in there, and some of that sweet and smoky. Turn them on their side like that. That one got a broken bone. Alright. Hey, if you guys know anybody that I can talk to about getting marketing done for this rub, let me know in the comments below, because I would really like to get this rub out there to people. It is really, really a great rub, and it's got a ton of flavor in it. I'll go ahead and put this in the smoker. Like that. Okay, well, these is going to cook for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'll check them every 15 minutes or so. And while we're doing that, or while it's doing that, I am going to make a barbecue dipping sauce to put on them for the final cook. Alright, well, we just did a quick temperature check here, and they're definitely up to temperature. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull them off. We're going to dip them in our sauce, and we're going to put them back on there to get a nice glaze on it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and dip them in our homemade barbecue sauce here. And we're going to get them back on the smoker one more time. Now you got them all coated. Absolutely perfect. Let's take these off. Oh yeah. They look so good. Get that nice glaze on there. If you learned something, now you know how to make the lollipops, how you take it off the bone, take the chicken off the bone. And like I said, I gave you the added advantage of the bacon being put on there. You can do it with the bacon. You can do it without bacon. You can do it. It was a lot of fun. I learned something, and hopefully I was able to pass it on to you guys. So again, please like, enjoy, share, leave a comment, and until next time, happy eats.